Coming to you from the Next Weather Studio, a 360 view of your forecast. This is Next Weather, sponsored by your local Chevy dealers. Georgia drives Chevy.
And next weather meteorologist Orlin Sidney joining us right now with a check of the forecast. And Orlin, we have some rain already.
Yeah, we do. There's already rain falling this afternoon. I was driving through the Grady Curve. Everything was wet. And then I got onto 85, going through the Buford Spring Street connector. Everything was dry. So it just kind of depends.
Sounds like Georgia.
It just depends on where you are, because it really is going to make a difference as we look at what's happening currently across the state. We still have rain and thunderstorms popping. In fact, as I went out this afternoon, I noticed how dark the skies were, especially off to the west. So there's a lot of thunderstorm activity just to the north and northeast of town. So that's going through now into Gwinnett County. DeKalb County got wet earlier. Now that's all moving off to the east. So those of you in Cornelia, in Athens, you'll probably be picking up a thunderstorm pretty soon. Same thing out at Gainesville, Blairsville. That's all moving in your direction now. So we're going to stop everything and show you where the rain is currently. Mainly here, again, looking between Atlanta out to about Cornelia, out to Gainesville, and just to the south of Ellijay. Big area of showers and thunderstorms there. Few popping down south. Looks like Fayette County and down around Noonan, Coweta County, getting a little bit of rain. Also up around Carrollton. So really just about everybody is getting a little spotty action around the metro area. But that is going to continue through the afternoon and into our overnight. So this now, what I'm showing you, is going to be your forecast. So we're looking at from really right now through the early morning, through 7 a.m. tomorrow. And you can see that it's, again, very widely scattered. Sometimes we get these big blobs like the one coming in out of Alabama later on tonight, and then continuing off to the north and northeast. That looks like a pretty good area of rain for you, and we will see accumulations heaviest north of I-20 and west of I-75. So really, you kind of look at I-20 and all those areas north. That's where it looks like most of our accumulations will be. Don't take your guard down in the south, because all it takes is one thunderstorm sitting over you for a while, and next thing you know, it's a washout. We're looking at your low temperatures once again in the 60s. It's going to be nice and humid. Well, nice and humid? Ew. It's going to be humid as we go into tomorrow morning. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a little bit of low cloudiness, and maybe in some low-lying areas a touch of fog. They'll burn off quickly tomorrow as we see highs getting well into the 80s. Eatonton going up to 88 degrees, Griffin at 84, Atlanta 82, but a lot of that is dependent on when and where the rain gets started. So let's look down to the south, and what are we seeing? Well, we've got the big high pressure system off to the east of us, bringing in southerly winds across the southeastern United States. All you need is a little daytime heating, and you kick off showers and thunderstorms, and this is what's going to happen through your Memorial Day weekend. So every day you'll see pulses of thunderstorms with the daytime heating. There's also a stationary front right across the Mississippi and Ohio River Valley, and so depending on what's going on with that front, if it manages some low pressure to kick off a little disturbance, that can enhance our chances of rain. There's actually a little weak front pulling into North Georgia now, so that's why parts of North Georgia tonight probably get a little bit more rain than everybody else. Here is your extended forecast then going into your Memorial Day weekend. It looks like thunderstorms today, but more rain coming for your weekend all the way into early next week.